There were a group of Arabs who followed the advice given in the Quran in Surah Nahl chapter 16 verse 43 and Surah Anbiya chapter number 21 verse number 7, which says, "Fas'alu ahla zikri in kuntum la ta'lamun." If you don't know, ask the person who possesses the knowledge. So these group of Arabs, they collected all the material in the Quran and the Hadith which speaks about embryology, and they presented it to Professor Dr. Keith Moore, who at that time, in the early 80s, 1980s, he was one of the persons who was the authority in the field of embryology. And he was the head of the Department of Anatomy in the University of Toronto. So they presented the translation of the various verses of the Quran to Professor Keith Moore. And they asked him that what are your comments? So after going through the translation of the various verses of the Quran and the Hadith, he said that most of the information given in the Quran is in perfect conformity with modern embryology. But there are a few verses which I cannot say that they are correct. Neither can I say they are wrong because I myself do not know about it.